Your mindset is your most powerful design tool. I recently published a book called Design Your Future. Be a future designer. It's not just about fashion design, but it's about becoming the kind of creative who succeeds from the inside out. Let me explain. In this book, I combine real-world skills and mindset shifts and powerful principles of success that every aspiring designer should know. If you're serious about your future in fashion and in life, this book was written for you. You can find it right now on Amazon in paperback format as well as an ebook format. So check it out. Your future self will thank you. Trust me. So here's the link.